The Dub come
Yo, stop snoring.
What you mean stop snoring? I can't.
Fix
I
it.
got sleep apnea.
Fix it.
I can't fix that.
Yeah, your roommate's scared of you.
For what?
Cause you keep snoring, you're not getting him
And
sleep.
then he's not getting no sleep, so he couldn't come to class, right? Let me tell you what he did. He stayed outside to 5 a.m. I woke him up for boot camp in class. He didn't want to get up, so he tried to blame the snoring to not let you know he was out here not in our dorms, in a whole nother dorm. Dub was in other people's dorms all night. He came back to the room at 6 a.m. I don't play that shit. Get up for class. You could be out all night. Get up for class. Don't blame it on my snoring.
But yeah, I'll be gonna sleep.
I didn't understand what would make him come out here and snitch on me like that.
Please don't try to snore, bro. Okay? Please try to be a good roommate. Apologize to Dub and make it right.